Our unique material unloading arm is designed to automatically unload finished components from the machine bed. The product scraper arm moves the components onto our conveyor system or to your own unloading table. At the same time, the auto load cycle begins. The suction system is located on the back section of the steel gantry and is used for automated location of material on the router table. Once the sheet is loaded, the cut cycle begins. Our state-of-the-art, fully enclosed tool change carousel travels on the moving gantry, providing rapid tool changes at any position along the machine. From a safety point of view, the cutting tools are always totally enclosed prior to, during and after the tool change process. Multicam CNC routers are proudly manufactured in Australia. As a local manufacturer, we use and support as much Australian content as possible.